Okay, what I'm going to do today is show you how to add a user to the community system. So open up a browser. Okay, the default page here is set to thursbygarden.org, but we want to go to HTTPS, which is a secure / thursbygarden.org, then a colon 20,000. Now, because we've not been on this site before, our security certificate's not been recognised. We know it's Thursby Garden, we know it's ours. Proceed, and we get to the logon for the server. Now, I'm not going to give you the logon details here, so because this is going to be public, you'll have to get that from Richard. But what you do is type your username, username there, and a password, and hit enter, and you should log on. Okay, so the server's logged on. This is the dashboard, and down here at the left are all the units. So we need to scroll down, and we'll get to users and groups. Users and groups there. Click on that, and we can see users. So we click on users, and here we go, add user. Now we always use first name, last name format, and middle name if you want. If we get John Smiths, we'll have to use middle names in between or start putting numbers on the end because a username's got to be unique. I'm just going to do a dummy user here, so I'm going to create first name test, second name user. I'm going to capitalise this so it's test, and capitalise again so it's user. Comment I don't bother with. We don't bother with passwords, this is for the user, but we have to put something in here. And we put password, so PASSWORD. Now the group, we select this box here. This is going to be for a drop-in user, so we select a CAG drop-in, so users can drop in at any time and use the internet, and this is the user that we've set up for them. And then we click add. And if we scroll over there, this button here is changed to orange. I've changed the screen to 800 by 600 to make things a bit smaller so the video looks better, because the videos are only small when they're on YouTube. So click Save Changes and save. While I have a drink of my coffee. Now that user's been added. Okay, so we're going to go into Active Directory users and computers, and what this does is it controls the policy for that user, and it stops them accessing the control panel or changing things and stuff. Is the policies have already been made. All we have to do is find that user. So if we go in users and scroll down, this is where all the new users end up after you've created them. Test users there. We're going to drag him over to drop in because it's a drop-in user. Here, just click yes. And I'll click in drop in, and look, you can see all the users. Scroll down, test users there. So that's a user created, and also the group policy applied to that user. To stop messing around with the computer. And that's it. Thank you.